Order of operations day one. My name is Mr. Sprayberry, and I'd like to say hello to Jamaica. There's some people there that are watching, and I am thinking about you. Anyway, order of operations day one. Evaluate each expression. It's 3 plus 2 plus 4. All your positives are you think of, you have something. So if you have 3, and then you have 2 more, and then you have 4 more, that's 3 plus 2 plus 4. That's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's 9. Number 2, we're going to solve this by canceling. There's a 4 on top and there's also a 4 on bottom, so we're going to cancel both of the 4's, and all we have left is 2. Number 3, we have 4 minus the quantity of 6 minus 3. Well, we have the highest priority here is the parentheses. So we have to do that first, or solve the value that's inside the parentheses. So when we solve the value that's inside the parentheses, we're basically solving this 6 minus 3. So we just copy the 4 minus. And now what is 6 minus 3? Well, 6 minus 3 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Number 4, even though there's no parentheses on top of this fraction, it's an understood thing that these two things are joined together because of the plus sign. So you must add the two things together, and 4 plus 5 gives you 9. So you have 9 divided by 3. Well, if you don't know what 9 divided by 3 is, you can certainly do what are the factors of 9? Well, the factors of 9 are 3 times 3 divided by 3. You get to cancel the 3's because there's 1 on top and bottom. And your final answer is just 3. Number 5. Number 5, you have the parentheses here. That shows multiplication. So they're really not the high priority of parentheses. They're really the medium priority of multiplication. But multiplication does come before subtraction. So you must combine the 4 times the 2 first. So that's 8. And you're just going to copy the minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Number 6, again, the top is an understood quantity. It's 9 minus 5 as the quantity. That whole thing is divided by 4. This division symbol bar here goes under the whole problem. That's why the two things are grouped together. So you must do the 9 minus 5 first, and that gives you 4. And divided by 4, well, the 4's cancel. What's left? Some people would say 0 here, but it is not 0. There's always something that holds a place value. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Number 7, this time you have a quantity on the bottom of the problem, the 6 minus 2. Again, it's an understood parentheses, so that goes first. So you have 8 divided by the quantity, 6 minus 2, which is 4. 8 divided by 4. Well, maybe you know what this answer is, and maybe you don't. So what are the factors of 8? Well, 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 4. 4's cancel because there's 1 on top and 1 on bottom. Your answer is 2. Number 8, the top is a quantity, again because of the fraction bar. So 4 plus 1, that's going to be 5. Divided by 5, that's just 1. Number 9, you have 5 minus 1 minus 1. Well, again, the 5 is like you have 5 of something. And if you were to take away one of these, because negative is you owe somebody, if you owe that one, and another negative one, you owe that one, what do you have left? You have 3. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Number 10, you have addition and you have multiplication. This is addition and this is multiplication. Well, addition is very low priority and multiplication is medium priority. So some people would get this wrong by not following the order of operations. The order of operations says you must do the multiplication first. So you're just going to copy the 6 plus, because that's low priority, and then 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So 6 plus 8, that's 14. Number 11, you have the same kind of idea here. You have addition, which is low priority, and you have multiplication, which is medium priority. Well, the addition is higher priority, or sorry, the multiplication is higher priority, so we're going to do that first. So we're just going to copy the 6 plus, and the 2 times the 2, that's 4, and 6 plus 4, that's 10. Number 12, the top is an understood quantity, so it's like parentheses, even though you don't see it. It's very high priority. So that's what we got to do first. 16 minus 4, that's 12, divided by 6. Well, maybe you know what 12 divided by 6 is, and maybe you don't. But you do know, you should know, that 2 times 6, sorry, let me write that differently. 2 times 6 is 12, divided by 6. 6's cancel, and you just get 2 that's left.